Welcome to Bamboo Valley, where today is a very special day.
It's Christmas!
Yay! Merry Christmas! Bamboo Valley looks so beautiful!
Ho, ho, ho! Is it present time yet? Because Santa Monkey is ready!
Christmas is about love, kindness, and helping others. Did you hear that? Someone needs help. Oh no, he's cold and lost on Christmas. When friends work together, miracles happen.
Chirp, chirp!
See? Christmas magic. This is the best Christmas ever.
Because we shared kindness.
And snacks.
Christmas is about love, sharing, and friendship.